Most people think a small space can never look expensive. They're wrong. And the reason they're wrong is actually psychology. There are specific things that luxury hotels do on purpose that trick your brain into feeling like a space is bigger, calmer, and more expensive than it actually is. And the wild part? None of it requires a renovation, none of it requires a huge budget. It just requires knowing what your brain is actually responding to. So let's get into it. The first thing luxury hotels do that most people never think about is they control what your eyes land on first. When you walk into a five-star hotel room, your eyes almost always land on something beautiful, a lamp, a piece of art, a bed that looks perfectly layered. That's not an accident. That's called a focal point, and it's one of the most powerful things you can do in a small space. In most small rooms, your eyes don't know where to go. There's clutter here, a random chair there, cables on the floor, and your brain reads that as chaos. Chaos makes a space feel smaller and cheaper than it is. So the first thing you do, pick one thing in your room that you want people to notice first. Your bed, a wall, a window. Then make everything else quieter, simpler, less distracting. When your eyes have a clear landing spot, the whole room feels more intentional, more designed, more expensive. Now here's something that will completely change how you think about small spaces. Hotels don't use overhead lighting, almost never. Think about the last time you were in a luxury hotel room. Did you notice a big, bright ceiling light blasting the whole room? No. You noticed lamps, soft light from the side, maybe a strip of warm light behind the headboard. That's because overhead lighting is flat. It shows every flaw, every corner, every shadow in the wrong place. But layered lighting, light from different heights and angles, makes a room feel warm and almost cinematic. You can do this with 2 or 3 cheap lamps, seriously. One on a nightstand, one in a corner, maybe one on a desk. Warm bulbs only. Anything that says 2700K or 3000K. Cold white light, it immediately makes a space feel like a waiting room. Warm light makes it feel like somewhere you actually want to be. Okay, this next one surprises people every time. Hotels are obsessed with layering textures. And most people in small spaces do the opposite. They keep everything flat and simple because they think it'll feel cleaner. But here's the thing. Our brains associate texture with richness. When you touch or even just look at something that has depth, a linen pillow, a chunky knit throw, a woven rug, your brain says quality. Flat surfaces? They read as cheap, even if they're not. You don't need much. Even just adding a throw blanket and 2 different types of pillowcases to your bed can completely change how a room feels. A small rug on top of another rug, a textured cushion on a plain chair. These tiny things stack up fast. Let's talk about scent, because this is the one hotels spend serious money on, and most people completely ignore it. Your sense of smell is directly connected to the part of your brain that handles emotion and memory. That's why the moment you walk into a nice hotel and smell something clean and subtle, you relax before you even see the room properly. That feeling of luxury, a huge part of it is smell. You don't need expensive diffusers. A $10 Reed diffuser with a clean, simple scent, something like linen, sandalwood, or light citrus will do it. Just make sure the scent is subtle. If you can smell it strongly from across the room, it's too much. You want people to notice it without knowing why the space feels so good. Now here's the big one, the one that ties everything together. Hotels never ever let things look random. Every single object in a well-designed hotel room is there for a reason, and everything has a home, a place, a purpose. There's no random pile of things on the nightstand. There's no bag thrown in the corner. There's no 5 different things on the wall that don't match each other. That level of control, of curation, is what our brains read as luxury. In your own space, this just means being ruthless about what you keep out. Anything that doesn't belong, it goes in a drawer, a box, a shelf. The less visual noise, the more expensive everything else looks. It's not about having fewer things, it's about making sure what's visible looks intentional. So here's the full formula, fast. One strong focal point that your eye lands on first. Layered warm lighting instead of a harsh overhead light. Texture, at least 2 or 3 different materials in the room. A subtle, clean scent, and strict control over visual clutter. That's it. That's what 5-star hotels are doing. And now you know why it works, because every single one of those things is speaking directly to your brain's subconscious. Your space doesn't need to be big to feel expensive. It just needs to feel intentional.